ជំរាបសួរទាំងអស់គ្នា Hello everyone. I hope this short video will find you well. Again, my name is Dara. Very nice to film these short videos. As some of you have watched some of my videos in the last few days, I talk about food, fruit, sickness, and vocab or phrases that related to COVID-19. Today I'm going to continue some of the useful words that will help you to express or say something about the taste of the fruit. Okay, so today we are going to learn some of the phrases and sentences that used to express about taste in Khmer. Okay, so let's go together and see what is in my new and short video. Thank you guys. So we'll see you soon. Sủi đây là kia sống phá cùng một can YouTube channel Dara. Okay, so just a quick review here. Some food that I've learned like mongkut, and some of the things here. Saumar here. I have palm here. And we have durian, jackfruit from the previous lesson. We have jackfruit, and then we have coconut, and then some of the pomelo in Khmer, and then dragon fruit, and then this one is custard fruit. What I see, crabs here. So today we're going to learn, how to say the taste in Khmer. So this one in Khmer we say kjai. Kjai. Kjai, it means raw, like raw mango. So the taste of the mango, raw. So kjai is raw. Raw. Kjai. Next one is chu. Tum. Tum, like ripe. Like a ripe mango. So in English you put adjective and then noun, but in Khmer you say noun and then adjective. You say swai tum. It means ripe mango. So swai tum. Okay, so tum is ripe. But next one is paim. But paim. So paim, it means sweet. Sweet. So the word sweet in Khmer we say paim. The same. I say swai paim, like sweet mango. Swai paim, sweet mango. Okay. Next one is a chu. Chu, it means sour. When the mango is raw, the taste of the mango is chu, sour. Chu. Chu. You can say like swai chu. Sour mango. So in Khmer we say mango sour swai tum. Next one is chu aim. So you have chu, the combination from the word sour, then aim is come from the word paim. So chu aim referring to sweet and sour. Chu aim. So in Southeast Asia, fruit, there are many kinds of fruits that taste sweet and sour. We say chu aim. Chu aim. The next one is, you should learn this one. So rujiet. So rujiet, it means taste. Rujiet. Taste. Rujiet. You can ask like, what is the taste of mango? Swai, say swai, mien, rujiet, yang mạch. Swai, mien, rujiet, yang mạch. So yang mạch. So yang mạch is the question maker for how. How. ស្វាយមានរសជាតិយ៉ាងម៉េច you can say ស្វាយមានរសជាតិផ្អែមនិងជូរបាទស្វាយមានរសជាតិផ្អែមនិងជូរ How about watermelon so watermelon in Khmer we say អាឡឹក so អាឡឹកមានរសជាតិផ្អែម How about ចេកចេកមានរសជាតិយ៉ាងម៉េចចេកមានរសជាតិផ្អែមម្នាស់ម្នាស់មានរសជាតិយ៉ាងម៉េចម្នាស់មានរសជាតិផ្អែម or ជូរអែម sweet and sour បាទជូរអែម okay so ជូរអែម sweet and sour okay អរគុណច្រើន Hello guys I hope you enjoy these short videos about the taste of the fruit okay so I will see you the next video លាហើយ bye bye